Are you ready to witness a football transformation? Steve McClaren's arrival in Jamaica could change everything. Jamaica is on a quest to rediscover its attacking flair. Could Steve McClaren, the experienced Premier League tactician, be the missing piece? Let's dive into the world of Jamaican football and explore how McClaren's coaching philosophy could ignite the Reggae Boyz. McClaren is renowned for his tactical acumen and ability to nurture young talent. His time at Middlesbrough, Newcastle United and Derby County is a testament to his coaching prowess. Now imagine that expertise blending with Jamaica's rich football culture. McClaren's emphasis on attacking football aligns perfectly with Jamaica's history of flair and creativity. His experience in developing players could be instrumental in producing a new generation of Jamaican stars. Could this be the spark that takes Jamaican football to the next level? The appointment of Steve McClaren could be a game changer. With his tactical expertise and player development focus, he has the potential to lead the Reggae Boyz to new heights. Only time will tell if this partnership can create magic, Massa. Subscribe for more football analysis, and share your thoughts below.